Most problems don't announce themselves. They don't show up all at once. They don't cause panic. They start quietly, while life is still moving along. Picture a normal winter evening, a busy household, two parents juggling work, schedules, and kids, planning a long overdue vacation. They've done the hard part. Time off approved, flights booked, a month away, somewhere warm. Everything feels handled. And then there's the furnace. It's still running, still heating the house. But something feels different. A noise that wasn't there before. Air that doesn't feel quite as steady, nothing urgent, nothing broken, just enough to notice. The tricky part is that nothing forces a decision yet. So it's easy to tell yourself, we'll deal with it later. But later is complicated because in a few weeks they won't be nearby. They'll be thousands of miles away. Different time zones, limited options. If something happens then, the decision won't be calm, it won't be thoughtful, it'll be rushed, and the decision won't just affect them, it affects their home, their kids, and whoever has to deal with the problem in their place. This is how pressure really shows up. Not when something fails, but when timing removes your ability to think clearly. Waiting isn't wrong, and replacing early isn't panic. The real risk is waiting without clarity. The safest moment to think about a furnace isn't when it stops working. It's right now, while it still is, before distance, before pressure, before a decision gets made for you.